Hi guys, Jan here. I've got some drone footage that I want to put up on YouTube, but I'm going to watermark it before it goes up. So in this video, I'll show you how to watermark a video in FFmpeg. Here's a sample of the drone footage. I've rescaled my Twitter banner and this will be my watermark. I've saved the watermark as a JPEG image and placed it in the same folder as the video. Here's the command line and the command. FFmpeg -I and then the base video -I and then the watermark image minus filter underscore complex. We're going to select the video from base file 0. We're going to select video from file 1, the overlay image, and we're going to overlay it. Now here are the coordinates where we want the actual image to be displayed on the screen. The coordinates are set from the upper leftmost corner of the screen. I want the watermark to be in the bottom left hand side of the screen, so 0 pixels from the left. Capital H represents the full number of lines in the video. Lowercase h is the number of lines in the watermarked image. If we leave this formula in instead of doing the maths manually, we can recycle this script to perform and add the watermark on any resolution of video, and the command will always work out where it should be, so it's in the bottom left hand corner. If anybody's interested in automating this command, please let me know in the comments and I'll show how it can be incorporated into a batch script and add the watermark to every single video in a folder. Then add the output file name, press return, and FFmpeg will do its thing. Thanks for watching guys. Please consider subscribing, thumbs up if you found the video useful, thumbs down if you didn't.